Hi, I'm Richard, and this year I'll be running in the Melbourne Marathon 5.7k run to help raise money for Autism Victoria, only with a little bit of a difference. I'll be running in my full medieval armour this year. So the main thing with my collection of armour is that everything has to be put on in the right order. The legs are the first part that I have to put on, and if I don't put them on in the right time, as I start running, straps will fall off the shoulders and I'll trip over my own feet. So here I've got a two-part leg setup. The upper part's hooked onto a harness that goes over my shoulders, and the lower part just straps around the shins. Next is the t-shirt of male. This weighs about 10 kilos on its own. And normally needs a second person to help you get into it. This year, Melbourne Marathon, you're going to see me there, whether it's raining like today or hot and sunny in summer. I'm looking forward to this, and I hope you are too.